WhatsApp photo upload quality not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can solve if WhatsApp photo upload quality settings is not showing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open up WhatsApp, what it's supposed to do is, if you open up a certain chat and then you'd like to send a photo, you tap the gallery icon here and then you select a certain image that you might want to send. Now when you try to send an image, the thing that it is supposed to do is, at the top you can see an HD settings. So when you tap on this HD settings, you should be able to change the quality from standard to HD quality. And sometimes this might not be showing up. Why is that? That is because one of the reasons is this photo itself, if it is not in an HD quality, you will not find the HD option here. So for the context, let me select another photo. For example, over here, let me select a random screenshot here. While I'm selecting this screenshot, you can see the HD option is not showing because this image itself is not in an HD format. So that is another reason why the HD quality upload might not be showing. Now if you're sure you took from a good enough camera or you imported from somewhere and then the HD option is not showing up, open up your Play Store or your App Store, search for WhatsApp, check if the WhatsApp app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version. This way you should be able to fix if the WhatsApp photo upload quality settings is not showing. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.